putting together a raw wrap. This is my version of the spicy raw wrap from the Hand Salads book in the bundle. We are going to load it up with goodies, already jam-packed full of so many different fruits and vegetables in the wrap itself, plus some healthy omega-3 fatty acids from chia seeds. And we've got the nice insoluble fiber, which is so good for the gut, from the psyllium husk powder. And we are going to just add phytonutrients, more colors now. So we've got mixed greens, sulforaphane from our purple cabbage, anthocyanins from the red onion. We're gonna add carrots. I tend to overstuff these, but we're doing the mango salsa, what's left of it, and then we're gonna roll it. So you just have to have a little faith when it comes to this. You put your fillings on, and then you just, you control the ingredients. I'm going to kind of press it down once we get the corners folded in. We're folding. We've created a nice little envelope. Now we're gonna pull back the ingredients, and then we're going to roll it up like a perfect little package. Now that's a ham salad. Look how beautiful that is. Then these are so good. These are game changing. I've never seen a wrap at the grocery store that has good ingredients.